So today we will revise Ruling the Countryside. This is the third chapter of 8th class history. I have 20 MCQs for you and I'll ask the question. You will have the 4 options. Then you will give the answer. Then I'll tell the correct answer. And after completion of 20 questions, you will count your score and share with me in the comment box. Who introduced the permanent settlement of Bengal? This is the first question. Permanent settlement of Bengal. It was introduced by Lord Cornwallis, Lord William, Lord Louis, none of these. So the correct answer is in 1793, permanent settlement was introduced in India by Lord Cornwallis. Second question, when did the Bardoli Satyagraha begin? 1985, 1963, 1980, 1927. The 4 options and the correct answer you can think 1927 under the leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Bardoli Satyagraha begin. What is a mahal? Mahal, it is you have to remember that about Mahalwadi system, a village, king's empire, king's mansion, freedom movements. So the correct answer is a village. What do we mean by the term plantation? What is plantation? Very easy question. Rearing of animals, large farm, large kingdom, none of these. Large area on which similar kind of crop is grown. Crop means the correct answer is B, large farm. What are commercial crops? Crops cultivated for tax paying, crops cultivated for own use, crops cultivated for sale, none of these. The most appropriate answer is C, crops cultivated for sale. Next one is, who were zamindars? Landlords, kings, slaves, all of these. Definitely zamindars were landlords. They used to have the ownership of land, big areas. What do you mean by the term slave? Paid workers, person owned by someone else, royal person, none of these. The correct option is person owned by someone else is known as slave. What is bigha? Bigha is unit of temperature, unit of capacity, unit of measurement, none of these. The correct answer is C, unit of measurement. When was the Diwani of Bengal appointed to East India Company? Diwani means East India Company got the Diwani rights in India in 1765, 1950, 1845, 1763. The correct answer is 1765 after the Battle of Buxar. The British East India Company got the Diwani rights according to Allahabad Treaty. Next one is, how did company purchase goods in India before 1765? By exporting gold and silver? By importing gold and silver? By auction? None of these. The correct answer is yes, B option is the correct. They used to import gold and silver from England, and with the help of these precious metals they used to purchase the things from India. Next, when the price of indigo was very high, the European depended on which plant? Wood, sal, palace, juniper. Correct answer is wood. It was also used for dyeing the clothes. The cookie belongs to which present state of India? Your options: Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, none of these. So correct answer is Mizoram. Right? Cookies belong to Mizoram. Where did the Rotwari system was introduced? Bombay Presidency, South and West India, Deccan and Punjab. This is the question and options you have observed. The correct answer is South and West India. What can be made by jute? You know the answer. Option A, wood plates, mats and ropes, rubber, beverages. The correct option is B, mats and ropes. In which year the permanent settlement of Bengal was introduced? 1763, 1773, 1783, 1793. We discussed in the first question 1793. You remember 1793 by Lord Cornwallis in Bengal. Next, what did the British smuggled and sold? Indigo to China, cotton to China, opium to China, coffee to China. They smuggled and sold opium to China, right? Opium, because opium was banned in China because of Buddhist rulers. They banned opium. They did not believe in any kind of the material that was not good for health for the people. So they banned opium, and so British smuggled it into China. Next question. Which product company was trying to expand and cultivate opium, indigo, both A and B? None of these. The correct answer is C, both A and B, because both were important for British, and the good way of earning profit. By whom the Bardoli Satyagraha was led? Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, and Manu Bhai Patel. Correct answer is Sardar Patel. In which area Mahalwari system of land revenue collection was not introduced? Was not introduced, right? You have to think about that. Not introduced. The options are Punjab, northwest provinces of Bengal, south, and Delhi region. Dear students, remember that this system was introduced, Mahalwari system, in 1820s, and in the northwest provinces of Bengal particularly, including Punjab and Delhi region, right? So the correct answer is C. In south of the parts in South India, it was not implemented. So Mahalwari system was not implemented in south. C option is the correct answer. Last and final question. Which cultivation was opposed by the peasant movement of Champaran in northwest Bihar? Champaran movement, sugarcane, indigo, opium, pepper. The correct answer is indigo, right? They opposed indigo cultivation in this movement. Champaran movement, also famous as Champaran movement, started in northwest Bihar. So these were the questions. How much you got? You have to share. You can share with me by writing in comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.